Nice welcome from my side to this fantastic second new online format NF Wire Forum. BALLOFFET France. You have heard from BALLOFFET, and I want to show you and to speak about where we are, what we do, about the drawing dies and special on fine size wire drawing. Where we are. We are a family-owned company and since more than 150 years working in the wire industry and producing dies. Our R&D department is working on optimizing the dies for the non-ferrous industry with all our know-how and our expertise. We are producing in France, close to Lyon, and we have 100% European production and a worldwide service for our customer. We are producing fully technology and automated and last present state of new process. The BALLOFFET products, our products, drawing dies. We are producing extrusion tools for the cable industry, also stranding, compacting dies, guides for magnet wire. We do also the repolishing and refurbishing service for dies. We give training and die analysis. We also produce equipment for die repair. And me, you have to know, I'm Michael Biller, the sales manager from BALLOFFET in Germany, Austria and Liechtenstein for more than 12 years on board. Coming to the range of products. Our range of products are 70% brand new dies from natural diamond and PCDs for all application from 3 mm down to 25 micron, or in PCD from 33 mm down to 25 micron. 5% our production is diamond tools for extrusion and 10% special products like guides for magnet wire production. The big increasing part is the die repair. Not only for use, also for integrate these technology by our customer. The positive detail is by our own repair, a quick reaction and helping by problems, especially diameter problems or scratches on the wire. For these, we do also a technical training for managing the die shop and the internal die production. Coming now to the drawing dies. Which material is used for drawing dies and for the drawing industry? What is the optimized product for your need? We make a difference in monocrystalline products and polycrystalline products. Coming first to monocrystalline diamond. We are using natural diamond die. Every piece is in one-to-one controlled and checked. On these photos, you can see mainly two different types of diamond, octaeder and dodecaeder forms are using for the industrial use. But we also using industrial product, monocrystalline products, known as the SSCD, synthetic single crystal diamond. These diamonds are the same used for the jewelry industry, but the request for drawing is much, much higher, because we cannot use diamond with inclusion. That will damage quickly the drawing die or latest the repolishing. These diamonds are used from 4 micron to 3 mm wire diameter. You can imagine that the used diameter is much bigger. We have to do a geometry for drawing in this diamond, coming now to PCD. The PCD you will see on this picture is like a naked blank or sintered in a stainless steel casing or protected with a tungsten carbide ring for bigger diameter. These blanks are available with special grain sizes starting from 50 micron down to 1 micron. The 50 micron grain size is not more often used in the drawing industry because it's difficult to repair and to recut. Common in this use is 25 micron down to 5 micron, but sometimes even 1 micron. What does this mean? Bigger grain size, more stable, but not so nice surface finish. But a PCD die cannot give the shiny surface like a natural diamond die can do. But the lifetime is much, much higher. You have to find a compromise on your need for your customer. The PCD is used mostly in the range from 35 micron, also 25 micron is possible, up to 33 millimeter diameter. In PCD, it is not possible for bigger diameter because this product is limited in diameter, but in this range, we are speaking about a very, very high cost. Especially for fine size wire drawing, we have to request and to check the following parameter. We have to have a premium quality. The die size has to be produced with the adapted tolerances. The die geometry for the angle, the cylindric part, the bearing, and also the back relief and the exit has to be chosen to the material and to the drawing specification. The polishing must be perfect and the area from angle to the cylindric part must be well rounded. We call these internally blended. You have to have a fantastic blending. And finally, a mirror polishing to reduce the strength of drawing. We have special, in the multi-wire machine, produced the same geometry and the same diameter. We are having sometimes more than 1,000 dies on one machine and one single process. How we are producing the die? Step 1, we put the diamond in the casing, and step 2, we fulfill with sintering material. In step 3, we are sintering with pressure and high temperature. In step 4, it's a mechanical opening to the diamond material. In step 5, a precise opening and drilling by laser or EDM cutting. In step 6, we are polishing and calibrating the die. The important point is the wire control. The wire control, we can use an elongation check used for tight and accurate drawing. This means 1% elongation checking is 0.5 micron for a wire with 100 micron. If we are smaller than 100 micron, we can use also the weight. The accuracy is about 6 microgram. This means 0.03 micron for wire with 20 micron. It's very, very small. The following conclusion should help us. Please use a cleaning raw material. The perfect fitting lubricant has to be used. A very good filtration. Please use tanks, big tanks with cleaning paper. The dies has to have a very good diamond quality, so no inclusion into the diamond. A perfect mounting and a perfect geometry has to be produced on the dies. The internal part has to be well polished and the diameter must be accurate. Please check that the dies in the multi-line machine has the same quality and the same tolerances. Check and control these dies frequently. Take them out from the machine earlier for a quick repair, a quick checking, because you have then a longer use in this machine and you can produce longer. For all this information, you can call us with an email, you can send us an email, and thanks very much for your attention.